From the heights of the cosmos we observe Earth as a vibrant planet teeming with life. The blue oceans, the green forests, and the sprawling deserts all paint a picture of a world full of wonder and diversity. But this serene view from space hides the dynamic and often violent forces that shape our planet's climate and weather patterns. Yet, this beauty is often punctuated by the raw power of nature. Storm clouds gather, lightning splits the sky, and the atmosphere becomes a theater of dramatic and sometimes devastating events. These moments of intense weather are a testament to the incredible energy and complexity of our planet's systems. Extreme weather events, those that are significantly different from average patterns, are a stark reminder of the forces at play on our planet. Hurricanes, tornadoes, wildfires, and floods are not just random occurrences. They are the result of intricate interactions between the Earth's atmosphere, oceans, and land masses. The United States, with its diverse geography and sprawling landscapes, experiences a wide array of these events, each leaving its own mark on the land and its people. From the towering Rocky Mountains to the vast Great Plains, and from the humid southeast to the arid southwest, every region has its own unique weather challenges. Hurricanes batter the coastlines, bringing with them torrential rains, powerful winds, and storm surges that can reshape entire shorelines. These massive storms, born in the warm waters of the Atlantic and Gulf of Mexico, can travel hundreds of miles, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. While tornadoes rip through the heartland, they're twisting funnels of wind capable of obliterating everything in their path. The central United States, often referred to as Tornado Alley, is particularly prone to these violent storms which can form with little warning and cause immense damage. Wildfires rage across the west, fueled by dry conditions, high temperatures, and strong winds. These fires can consume thousands of acres of forest, destroy homes, and threaten lives. The increasing frequency and intensity of wildfires are a growing concern, linked to broader changes in climate patterns, and floods inundate communities from east to west, turning streets into rivers and submerging homes and businesses. Heavy rainfall, often associated with hurricanes or prolonged storms, can lead to catastrophic flooding, displacing families and causing significant economic losses. These events are not mere anomalies. They are part of a complex system that governs our planet's climate. Understanding the patterns and causes of extreme weather is essential for predicting future events and mitigating their impacts. Climate change is adding another layer of complexity, altering weather patterns and increasing the frequency and severity of extreme events. Understanding the causes and impacts of extreme weather is crucial for safeguarding our future. Scientists and researchers are working tirelessly to unravel the mysteries of our climate, using advanced technology and data analysis to improve our predictive capabilities and develop strategies for resilience. As we delve into the specifics of these events, we'll explore both the natural forces and the human influences that shape them. From the role of greenhouse gases in warming our atmosphere to the impact of deforestation and urbanization on local weather patterns, every factor plays a part in the bigger picture. Join me on this journey as we unravel the mysteries of extreme weather in the USA and discover how we can better prepare for the challenges it presents. By understanding the science behind these events, we can take informed actions to protect our communities and build a more resilient future. The study of extreme weather is not just about understanding the destructive forces of nature, but also about appreciating the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. It reminds us of the interconnectedness of all things and the importance of preserving the natural world that supports us. Earth's climate is a tapestry woven from a myriad of factors, some subtle, some dramatic. These factors interact in complex ways, creating the diverse weather patterns we experience. From gentle breezes to violent storms, the forces at play are both fascinating and formidable. Among these, atmospheric instabilities play a key role in driving extreme weather events. When the atmosphere becomes unstable, it can lead to the formation of thunderstorms, tornadoes, and other severe weather phenomena. These instabilities are often triggered by differences in temperature and humidity. The atmosphere, a dynamic fluid, is constantly in motion, driven by the sun's energy and Earth's rotation. This motion creates wind patterns and weather systems that can vary greatly from one region to another. The sun's energy heats the Earth's surface unevenly, causing air to rise and fall, creating areas of high and low pressure. Variations in temperature and pressure create imbalances, setting the stage for powerful storms. When warm, moist air rises and meets cooler air, it can result in the formation of thunderstorms and tornadoes. These storms can be incredibly destructive, but they are also a natural part of the Earth's climate system. Geographic features further influence these patterns. Mountains, valleys, and bodies of water can all affect local weather conditions. For example, mountains can block the flow of air, causing it to rise and cool, leading to precipitation on one side and dry conditions on the other. Mountain ranges, for instance, can force air upward, leading to intense precipitation on one side and dry conditions on the other. This phenomenon, known as the rain shadow effect, can create stark contrasts in climate over relatively short distances. The jet stream, a high-altitude river of wind, also plays a crucial role. This fast-moving air current can influence weather patterns over large areas, steering storms and affecting their intensity. The position and strength of the jet stream can change with the seasons, leading to variations in weather. Its meandering path can steer storms and influence their intensity. When the jet stream dips southward, it can bring cold air and stormy conditions to regions that are usually mild. Conversely, when it shifts northward, it can lead to warmer and drier conditions. Oceans, vast reservoirs of heat, interact with the atmosphere, fueling hurricanes and influencing precipitation patterns far inland. The heat stored in the ocean can be released into the atmosphere, driving the formation of powerful storms. This interaction is a key component of the global climate system. These natural processes, though sometimes destructive, are essential to Earth's climate system. They help to distribute heat around the planet, regulate temperatures, and maintain the balance of the atmosphere. Without these processes, life on Earth would be very different. They distribute heat, regulate temperatures, and shape our planet's diverse ecosystems. From the lush rainforest to the arid deserts, the interplay of these natural forces creates the rich tapestry of climates and landscapes that make our world so unique. While natural forces lay the groundwork for extreme weather, human activities are increasingly tipping the scales. Climate change, driven by the emission of greenhouse gases from burning fossil fuels, is altering Earth's energy balance. This, in turn, is leading to a warmer atmosphere, capable of holding more moisture and producing more intense precipitation events. Urbanization, with its concrete jungles and heat-absorbing surfaces, exacerbates the urban heat island effect, intensifying heat waves in cities. Deforestation removes trees, which act as natural carbon sinks and help regulate water cycles, contributing to both droughts and floods. These human-induced factors are amplifying the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events, posing significant challenges to communities worldwide. Understanding the interplay between natural and human influences is crucial for developing effective strategies to mitigate the risks posed by these events. Hurricanes, those monstrous storms that churn over tropical waters, are among the most awe-inspiring and destructive forces on Earth. These colossal systems, often spanning hundreds of miles, are nature's most powerful weather phenomena. Fueled by the heat energy released when water vapor condenses, hurricanes can unleash winds exceeding 150 miles per hour, torrential rainfall, and devastating storm surges. The sheer force of these winds can uproot trees, flatten buildings, and turn everyday objects into deadly projectiles. These storms form over warm ocean waters near the equator, drawing energy from the evaporation of seawater. As warm, moist air rises and cools, clouds form and release heat, further fueling the storm's circulation. This process creates a self-sustaining cycle that can last for days or even weeks. The Coriolis effect, caused by Earth's rotation, causes the storm to spin, giving it its characteristic cyclonic structure. This spinning motion is what makes hurricanes so dangerous, as it allows them to gather strength and size as they move across the ocean. Hurricanes can travel thousands of miles, wreaking havoc on coastal communities with their powerful winds, heavy rains, and storm surges. These surges can cause severe flooding, washing away homes, roads, and anything else in their path. One of the most infamous hurricanes in recent history is Hurricane Katrina, which devastated the Gulf Coast in 2005. The storm surge from Katrina was particularly catastrophic, breaching levees and flooding large parts of New Orleans. The aftermath of such storms can be long-lasting, with communities taking years to rebuild. The economic impact can be staggering, with costs running into billions of dollars. But beyond the financial toll, the human cost is immeasurable. with lives lost and families displaced. As we continue to study these powerful storms, we gain a better understanding of their behavior and how to predict their paths. Advances in technology have improved our ability to forecast hurricanes, giving people more time to prepare and evacuate if necessary. However, despite our best efforts, hurricanes remain a formidable force of nature. Their unpredictability and sheer power remind us of the limits of human control over the natural world. As climate change continues to warm our oceans, the frequency and intensity of hurricanes are expected to increase. This makes it even more crucial for us to understand these storms and develop better strategies for mitigating their impact. In the end, hurricanes are a testament to the raw power of nature. They remind us of our vulnerability and the importance of respecting the environment. By studying these storms, we not only learn how to protect ourselves but also gain a deeper appreciation for the complex and dynamic planet we call home. The story of hurricanes is one of both destruction and resilience. While they bring devastation, they also bring communities together, showcasing the strength and determination of people to rebuild and recover. As we continue to face the challenges posed by these powerful storms, we must remain vigilant and prepared, always ready to weather the winds of destruction. Hurricanes are a reminder of the delicate balance of our planet's climate system and the need for global cooperation in addressing the threats posed by extreme weather events. By working together, we can develop better warning systems, improve infrastructure, and create more resilient communities capable of withstanding the fury of these natural disasters. The story of hurricanes is not just one of destruction, but also of human ingenuity and perseverance. It is a story that continues to unfold with each passing storm. Hurricane Katrina, which devastated the Gulf Coast in 2005, serves as a stark reminder of the destructive potential of these storms.